guys, you're welcome to my channel, Beauty and Health with your girl Rosa. So for today's video, we're gonna have a makeup tutorial. That's going to be an easy and casual makeup tutorial. Yeah, and so we're gonna just try this. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. So let's start. Okay, for the first thing, I'll have to put my primer on my face. I just need to put a primer on my face. Alright, so when you're done with the primer, we're gonna have to set my foundation on my face. So foundation I'm using is Mary Kay. I love Mary Kay because I don't just know, it just good with my body, and maybe it's because I don't really have too much marks. That's why maybe I'm using this. But I use Mary Kay, so I'm just going to put little drops of it, little. You don't even need to bother to put it well, you just need to put it. Okay, so I'm going to use my foundation brush and wipe the dots off. I'm gonna use it. So as I'm on my foundation, I will go to my eyebrows. I really just like putting the foundation before I put the eyebrows to my eyebrows. So we're going to do a little and quick eyebrow. I will use this brush to first brush the brows. Luckily, as you can see, my brows have already been carved, so I'm just going to just draw a little line on them to carve out how I want to fill it in. I'm gonna use this MAC pen, so I'm gonna use the brown pencil. It's easy. So you're just gonna carve it. Then I fill in the inside. Yeah, as you can see, then I take a brush and brush it up to make it lighter, but not too light. As you can see, it's not really good, but don't bother, that's why we have to conceal the eyebrows. So I'm going to use my concealer. I'm using this concealer to shape the eyebrows. I'm going to use my concealer brush. I like using this, so I'll use two of these. This one have a brush, but I don't know, I'm not a fan of this brush. It's small. Maybe for you it might go. Just come and put. I make little dots. I do mine downwards, and then I come upwards. I put in. So, as you can see, it's horrible, but don't bother. I don't really do the drawing and carve it so direct. I just put it fast. When I'm going to use this brush, I'm going to blend it downwards and carve it how I want to carve it. So we go. I'm just going to take it gently. See, goes. Yeah. Then we come again. Take gently. Blend the upwards part. You don't want it to be too, don't want it to be roughy. Then you can see the up part is blended. I come under and I try to cut it. So here there's much concealer. I just like putting much concealer underneath because I'll take it downwards like this. Conceal my eyebrows, the eye, this down part. As you can see, it's concealed well. La 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 la. You don't need to be an expert in this. You just need to know what goes for you. And then I come in here and it goes something like this. Yeah, I just close the line. So we're gonna do this same technique on the other eye. Yeah, I hope you like it already. Okay, so I'm guessing the eyebrows are good to go. Yes. So now I'm going to use the colors I'm gonna use here. I'm just going to first start. I'll take this layer, this one, and first like just my starter of my eyebrow of the eyeshadow. I first put it on it. Then I'm going to use, because for today look, I just want something casual, so I'm going to use purple, just purple. I'm just going to use light purple. So after putting the purple, I'm going to just use a brown shiny to just line it downwards. So yeah. So it's just going to use my pencil, just normal black pencil. It's going to be this mark. I'll use this to draw a line to make a line on my eyes. Here you go, and I'm going to draw down. Since it's an easy look, I'm not going to be using eyelashes, so I'll use this mascara to my eyelashes to straighten them, to make them look thicker and wider. So you see the difference? So I'm going to do for the other, the same procedure for the other eye. That's how my eyes are gonna look like. That's after the eye makeup. So what's left, since it's just a simple makeup, I'm just going to first put powder. So I have two ways. I always first start with my banana powder, that is powder in the powder form, and then I'll go out to this solid powder, man powder, and put it on it. So I'll start first with the banana powder. Then I'm going to use this foundation brush to put my powder in my. Then I'm going to use this brush, because this other brush was to help me blend. Since that other specific parts to my body that I want to blend with, I'll use this brush. I just take and I come under here, in particular under my eye, because I've already done I've done the eyelashes, and I just pass the brush. So you're going to do that on all parts of my face. So I'm gonna put some bronzer now on my face, and I'm going to use the darker part of my bronzer now, which is usually this part, because I don't like my bronzer to be too sharp. Yeah, it's just going to just make the look more sexy, I guess. going to use the smaller brush to do this part. Since I have a big skull, this is small. Then I'm just going to use this powder brush, and just blend, so it should not be too concentrated. Here you go. Yes. Then for my lips, I'm going to use this purple lipstick. Yeah, I'm just going to put a little. I'm going to use now this to set the makeup. Close the eyes. Done. And I'm going to leave it to set for at least a minute, and then the makeup will now set well, and it's going to be good. So as you can see, so my makeup is finished. Yes, that's the look we got for today's makeup.